Howdy everyone, Fenco Kit here. This is in the middle of a live stream, so those who were in the stream could have got this, but hope everyone's having a good day. I'm currently playing Sonic.Exe The Disaster. I meant to play this before, but the footage got cut. Tails. T-pose and Tails. They're running fine.
It's no use!
Shot your ankles. I tried jumping. Okay. Well, that didn't happen. Everyone get moving.
It's no use!
Everyone's hitting him. Don't forget. Wall. Can't do nothing now. Get my wall. Good job, Metal. Good job, Tails. We need a creams. No!
Nope.
The lag spike is crazy.
Okay.
Oh no.
Help! Help me! Oh, I missed.
I'm in there. Nope, jump it. Okay, so I think I have a good rhythm here, maybe. I'll just keep streaming. I'll record in the middle of some sessions. And I'll have some reaction videos sometimes, like when I find something good.
It's no use!
I don't think aiming like that. Slight feeling. Worked. What? Oh, okay, I see. I didn't know that hit. I swear. Not literally, I wasn't about to swear. So I swear. It's lag be hitting different. Knuckles, no! Don't die to a minion, Knuckles. Get moving. Good job, Knuckles. Knuckles. I'm just watching. I think Metal is about to get downed in a second, so I'm to watch him. Wall. It works every time. Why does he want me? Well, I understand why, but still. Why? Where's Sonic at? Okay, Sonic's right there. Got him. Oh no, I forget. That's not really aiming. Midair. If I lose, I'm ending stream. That's an actual promise. I'll say that now. If I lose, I'm ending stream. Knuckles. It makes you fly, don't you, Tails? Jump. Good Fox. Shadow. Why Shadow? He missed. Well, he hit, but it didn't hit me right. Gotcha. Ah! Sally! Jump. Okay, you're smart. Jump if you think jumping is cool. No? Okay. You believe. I'm going after Tails. You think he cool? Jump like a good fox. Spring counts. Spring counts. Try and jump. That's what I thought. Okay. Well, I think I won this one. I don't think stream's ending right now. In the recording. Bleed. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone who's on the recording. May the Fox be with you. See you next time.